Hey everyone, welcome back to the Financial Freedom Blueprint channel. Today we're talking about something a lot of you have probably noticed. Google Search, the powerhouse of the internet, is starting to feel, well, broken. Search results are getting messier, ads are everywhere, and other platforms are starting to take over. What's happening to the king of search? Let's break it down. First, decline in search quality, the big elephant in the room. The number one thing users complain about today is the decline in search quality. Think about it. When was the last time you searched for something on Google and actually found the answer you needed right away without having to scroll past ads or dig through low-quality pages? One reason for this is that Google's algorithms prioritize certain websites, often based on SEO, search engine optimization, rather than content that's actually useful. In short, many websites are optimizing their content to rank high in Google, but not to deliver the information you need. This creates a poor user experience where search results don't feel as relevant or as high quality as they once did. Second, ad overload. Google is a business, after all. Let's talk about ads. We all get it. Google is a business, and they make their money through advertising. But over time, the balance between useful information and ads has tipped heavily in favor of the ads. In fact, the first few results for many searches are often paid advertisements. And it's not just that. Google now integrates ads into almost every aspect of search results: shopping, local services, and even quick answers. This overload of ads makes it harder for you, the user, to find genuine, unbiased information. And it's not just annoying, it's damaging the trust users once had in Google. Third, rise of other platforms. Google isn't the only search engine anymore. Google isn't the only place to find information anymore. In fact, a huge shift is happening right now. People are turning to other platforms like TikTok, Reddit, and even YouTube to find answers. Why? Platforms like TikTok deliver fast, engaging video answers, often within 30 seconds. Reddit? You get authentic, community-driven advice, straight from people who've been there and done that. Users, especially younger ones, are finding these platforms more relatable and useful compared to traditional search. And here's the kicker. These platforms don't have the clutter of ads and irrelevant pages that Google has right now. People are bypassing traditional search because these platforms are giving them faster, more direct answers. Fourth, AI and chatbots, the next big disruptor. Now, this one is huge. AI tools like ChatGPT are changing the search game in ways we couldn't imagine just a few years ago. Instead of using Google and sorting through pages of links, people are starting to use AI chatbots to get immediate, direct answers. Why spend time scrolling through results when an AI tool can give you exactly what you need in seconds? For example, if you ask ChatGPT a detailed question, it will pull from millions of sources and summarize the most relevant information for you. No ads, no fluff, just the answer. AI is still in its early stages, but it's already threatening to disrupt how we think about finding information online. And the more people turn to AI tools for quick answers, the more pressure Google feels. 5. Google's growing privacy concerns. Let's not forget another big reason Google is losing users: privacy concerns. Google is one of the biggest collectors of user data on the planet, and while that data helps them serve better ads, it's also made users wary of how their personal information is being used. More and more people are turning to alternatives like DuckDuckGo, which promises not to track your searches or sell your data. Google has tried to address these concerns, but for a lot of users, the trust has already been broken. 6. The problem of content farms and SEO manipulation. And then we have the content farms. These are websites that churn out low-quality articles with the sole purpose of ranking high on Google. They're filled with keywords, but deliver little real value. You've probably landed on one of these sites, where you have to scroll through paragraphs of nonsense just to find a single useful tip. These sites know how to game Google's algorithm, and unfortunately, they're getting better at it. This means the top results are often filled with pages that don't help you, forcing you to dig deeper for genuine, well-researched content. 7. Declining trust and user experience. Another major problem is user experience. Whether it's outdated local business information or inaccurate search results, many people have noticed a drop in the overall reliability of Google's data. Think about it. When was the last time you relied on Google Maps for business hours and found that they were wrong? Or how often have you clicked on a top result that didn't actually answer your question? This inconsistency is driving users away, and Google needs to address it. 8. Google's shift to a commercial platform. Finally, let's talk about what Google Search has become, a commercial platform. Between the shopping tab, local services, and constant ads, it feels like Google has shifted its focus from providing information to selling products and services. While this might be good for businesses, it's not always great for users. When almost every part of the search experience is designed to sell you something, it's easy to feel like you're not getting unbiased information anymore. So, what does this all mean for you? It doesn't mean that Google Search is done, but it does mean that you have to be more savvy about how you find information online. There are other tools, and even search engines that might fit your needs better. Thanks for sticking with me through this breakdown. If you found this video useful, hit that subscribe button, give it a thumbs up, and drop a comment below with your thoughts.